guys, so welcome to a brand new video on my channel. So today I'm going to tell you about how to decorate your home if you have a baby or a toddler. Haru, can you say hi in the camera? Can you say hi? Hi. Can you come here? Say hi. Say hi. Hi. No, going towards the camera. So I moved into this house in 2020 and of course had a baby in mind and planned the house with as much information that I had of designing homes with babies. But well, everybody who used to come into my house used to tell me that I have to remove all my decoration pieces because, well, these little creatures are everywhere. So here are 5 easy tips to keep in mind while decorating with babies and toddlers. The first tip is to have furniture pieces with rounded edges as much as possible because once your baby starts to crawl, they tend to pull themselves up on almost everything and it's just safer to have rounded edges. So the next tip is to have as much unbreakable decor as possible, especially at the level where your child can reach. I have a lot of metal and cane vases and decor pieces which my baby loves to play with, and trust me, he actually enjoys playing with these things more than toys. So he pulls everything out and my house is usually a mess, but well, I can put everything back together and still have my beautiful decor, and actually I'm teaching him that too. Aru? Can you keep it back from where you picked it up? Please, can you keep it back? Yeah, can you keep it back? Good boy. Yeah, keep it back. Very good. Most of the side tables in my home are in metal and lightweight, easy for him to move around. Of course, I need to keep an eye on him, but they're quite safe around him. Another great tip for decor is to add books. They don't only look good, but I'm actually hoping that one of these days he's going to start pulling those books out and reading them and form a good habit. So the next tip is to have washable sofa covers. You never know what your little monster is up to and what he can spill on the sofa. Of course, bed sheets, cushions, all of these things are washable, even your rugs. But sofa is something which becomes very difficult to clean because you need to dry clean it, and it is not practically possible to do that every now and then. So these sofas from Ikea are great because every piece of this sofa actually has a cover which can be removed easily and can be machine washed. So I actually wash these, I think, almost every 2-3 weeks because there are so many spills and so many things which I cannot even think about that my child actually spills on all of these things. Next tip is to add rugs to your space. They not only add depth but are actually quite good right from the time from tummy time to crawling to walking, and especially if you have tiled or marble floor, they're great in winters. So my last tip is to add functional furniture pieces to your home because with a growing toddler, the dynamics of your home keeps changing and you actually fall short of space. So these pieces from Ikea are great. They're quite stylish and they have a lot of storage spaces and multifunctional features, which I love. I did a video last week on furniture pieces from Ikea which are quite functional. I'm going to leave the link of it in the description box below. So if you yeah, so I think Aru in his baby language is saying to like and share the video and subscribe to Mama's channel. Yeah? Can you say subscribe to Mama's channel?